This compact OM system VN-7100 voice recorder is light enough to disappear in a pocket, yet feels sturdy enough for daily use in classes, meetings, or on the go. Its generous internal flash memory can hold well over 500 hours of recordings, so you can capture long lecture series or multiple projects without constantly clearing files. Voice-activated recording is especially helpful because it only captures sound when someone is speaking, which conserves battery power and keeps files free of long stretches of silence. The built-in speaker and clear microphone deliver surprisingly intelligible playback for such a small device, making it easy to review notes without always needing headphones. Variable speed playback lets you slow down tricky sections or speed through familiar material while keeping voices understandable, which is great for studying or transcribing. Simple folder-based file organization and electronic index marks make it straightforward to jump to key moments and keep different subjects neatly separated.